Hello, Camstone here once again from Mojoe Outfitters. Today, in today's video, we're going to do something completely different. We're not even going to use the Mojoe griddle, which I love to use. But the last few days, I was down in San Diego, up in the mountains, and I was up in the San Gabriel Mountains, which are right up here yesterday. And I noticed that there was a whole lot of miner's lettuce and wild parsley growing up there. So I thought, I'm gonna make a wild salad. This is wild items that I collected over the last couple of days out in the wilderness. So as you can see here, I've got miner's lettuce. You can see, look at that. It's got an interesting leaf. It goes all the way around the stem. I've never seen a plant like that does that, but that's miner's lettuce. It's got a nice, sweet, peppery taste. And then over here, we've got wild parsley, and it's growing all over the place in the canyon up above us, right here. And then the other item we're gonna use in our salad is this. These I collected a few days ago. They're not looking as zesty as they did, but this is yucca flowers. You know those, they call them century plants sometime. They're beautiful. They got this nice purple on them, and if you look inside, let's take one of these flowers here like that, and if you look, let's put this in the sun here, look inside here, look at that, see that? Right inside is a nut like that, and we'll take that off. Okay, it's a soft nut. It's not like a real nut, but it is really, really good to eat. So I'm going to use that for a little crunch in the salad that I'm going to make today. You can also eat the flower. Oops. It adds more of a slightly bitter but peppery taste to it. So we'll add a little bit of that in there, and it also adds some color and some interest. So when we come back, I'm going to start denutting these things, and we'll start making a salad. And oh, by the way, what comes next, I'm going to show you some video from when I was up in the mountains yesterday foraging for the greens that we're going to use in the salad. So enjoy that. Here I am in the big Santa Anita Canyon, and it's a beautiful place right now. It's springtime, everything's really green, the creek is flowing, and guess what is also flowing, actually growing? It is parsley, wild parsley. It's growing all over the place. So I thought it would be fun to pick some up and make a salad out of it, do a little foraging. So I'm going to take this one right here, like that. See that? That is yummy stuff. Watch this. All right, see this? This is parsley. I'm going to have a little bit. Got a nice little wild flavor, but it's definitely parsley. Making a salad. Look what else I found. This is called miner's lettuce. It is awesome. See that? Look at that. It's got an amazing leaf. It goes all the way around. That's how you know it's miner's lettuce. And it is good. It's got a little peppery flavor. So I'll show you I can eat some of that. All right, here it is. Miner's lettuce. That's good. I'm bringing this bunch home. I'm gonna forage a little bit, bring some home, make a salad. Yum, yum. Look at that. That's a nice one. Look at that. That's good enough. Check that out. Look at all the nice nubbins in there. That's going to be great little crunchiness to our foraged wild salad. Can't wait. Okay, we got our nubbins, our little seeds, our yucca nuts in here. Now, this is from right over here. This is a epiphyllum. We'll put that there. It's kind of a garnish kind of a thing. So let's just take out, see these, I took the whole plant. There's so many of them up there. So we'll just cut those off like so. Throw them in, okay? Very easy. These guys this took us about 20 minutes to do, but it's well worth it. Okay, more of that in there. So that, and then we're gonna, I don't particularly like the flower stalks on these, so I'm gonna pop those off and throw them out. I just like the leafy stuff. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And then I'll do a little bit of the parsley here, and we'll put a bunch of this in. Just grab a bunch, throw it down there. The leaves, like so. We'll give it a rough chop. Okay. Okay, so we'll just roughly chop this. Like so. Put that in there. Like that. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. We're going to put more in, but dang, doesn't that look beautiful? I can't wait. And it's all for free up in the mountains. All right, so I got the bowl full of greens. I picked out some of the prettier flowers. I'm going to throw in some of the flower petals here. Okay, like so. Oh, they're beautiful, aren't they? Look at that. So. Yeah, pretty. Add some color to it. Like the purple color and the white. It's awesome. Okay, now I've got, this is the only thing that's not foraged, but I really love a little bite, onion bite in my salad, so I'm gonna sprinkle that in there, like so. Bunch of thinly sliced onions, like that. Okay. And then, this is going to be simple. We've got rice wine, or rice vinegar, not rice wine, rice vinegar. Put a bunch of that in. And I've got some olive oil here. Put a little bit of that in there like so. And then, no salt in there, so we're going to use a little bit of salt. And some pepper. How does that look? Unbelievable. So I'll toss it, and then the next step will be eating it, plating it, and eating it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, huh? Look at that. Unbelievable. So I'm gonna eat it next. Moment of truth here. Look at this beautiful salad here. I'm gonna take a bunch of that and plate it. Just put it right there in the center like that. Maybe a couple of these guys right on the top like that. Okay, there's a little bit of root right there. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat it, but first let's just do a little garnish around the side like that. See that? Look at how pretty that is. Huh? Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna take a photo of that and then I'll be right back for a chow down. Okay, it's time for the big moment. Come on in here and look at this. I'm gonna get a little bit of that. Gotta get a nut in there, like so. Look at that. Okay, here we go. That is mountain happiness right there. It came from nature. It's the Mojoe way. That is really good. Try it sometime. It's a lot of fun. And I think it's healthy for you too. Can you believe that? Talk to you next time. Be sure to watch all of our videos on YouTube. www.youtube.com/Mojoe Outfitters.